Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe and doing well. Today I'll be creating this beautiful Holi makeup look. If you're someone who likes to attend Holi parties and click a lot of pictures, then this look is perfect for you. So yep, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. You guys know I always start with a moisturizer, and today I'm using a hydrating ceramide based moisturizer so that it makes your skin feel hydrated and plump and it doesn't make your skin look dry, dehydrated throughout the day. Also, this is suitable for all skin type. Now this is the most important step. If you are stepping out in the sun, a sunscreen is a must. Also today I'm gonna test out this sunscreen just to check if this actually gives you 6 hours of sun protection or not. As you can see, I've already applied the UV sticker on my cheek. Right now, as you can see, the color of the UV sticker is purple, but after applying the sunscreen on top, within a minute it will turn into a transparent one. Usually the color changes back to purple after 2-3 hours when exposed to UVA UVB rays. However, with this particular sunscreen, even after 6 hours the color remains invisible. So as the color hasn't turned purple yet, so I would say this sunscreen has passed the test. Now this sunscreen comes with SPF of 50 PA4+. This contains hyaluronic acid that keeps your skin hydrated and plump, and vitamin E is extremely beneficial for reducing sun damage. It's super lightweight, very comfortable to wear, blends into the skin like magic, leaves no white cast, and also it's water and sweat resistant. And look at my skin, it makes my skin look glowy, dewy, juicy, plump and hydrated. What else you need? Every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have empowered 15,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. Also, don't forget to use my coupon code on their website for extra 20% off. Next, I'm using this K Beauty color correcting primer, as I'm not using any foundation or concealer today, so I need to hide my dark circles, and this is going to do that. Next, for my base, I'm using this skin tint from Just Herbs, and also I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid illuminator to it because I'm not gonna use any highlighter today. So this is going to give me that glow from within kinda look. And look at that, how glowy, dewy, juicy my skin is looking. Next, to set my under eye area, I'm using this compact powder from Nykaa. It's so lightweight, it looks very natural on the skin, yet it sets your makeup beautifully. Then of course need a setting spray to lock everything in. Now it's time to add some color to the cheeks, and today I'm using this cheek tint from Plum. I'm sorry, I forgot to take the product shot, but this is so creamy, pigmented, and it looks so beautiful on the cheeks. I love it. As you can see here, I'm using a compact powder to set the blush into place so that it doesn't move or budge, and also I'm highlighting the center of my face using a little more setting spray. And now let's move on to the brows. With the help of this brow pencil, I'm just filling in the gaps of my brows so that my brows look structured and filled in, yet very nice and natural at the same time. Okay, now let's just quickly move on to the eyes, and today I'm using this Nika K Autumn Spice palette. First, applied this beautiful warm yellow shade on my crease. Next, I'm applying this beautiful golden shade all over my eyelid, and look at that, it looks like liquid gold. Now taking the same eyeshadow brush and blending out the edges. Next, I'm taking this Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal. I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. I'm gonna tightline my eyes with it. And once that is done, I'm gonna take this beautiful brown shade and blend out the edges. With the same brown shade, I'm gonna lightly line my upper lash line as well. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara to add some volume and length to my lashes. And lastly, to complete the eye makeup look, I'm going to take this beautiful golden shade and highlight my inner corners with it. Coming back to my face, I'm using this bronzer to add some warmth and color back. And for my lips, I'm using this Love Earth liquid lipstick. I love the formulation of this, and look at the color, it's so pretty. If you want, you can add some gloss on top, but I am quite happy with it. And yup, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.